Error 0x803F8001 is an authentication error in Minecraft, primarily affecting the Bedrock edition on Windows PCs. It prevents you from accessing Xbox Live features like multiplayer and cloud saves. This error typically arises from issues with Microsoft's Xbox Live authentication system not being able to verify your account credentials. This can be due to expired tokens, account restrictions, problems with your app permissions, unstable internet, or conflicts with Windows settings. The error blocks access to online features, but offline gameplay is unaffected. The most effective fix, with a high success rate, is to sign out and then sign back into your Xbox Live account within the Minecraft launcher. This refreshes your authentication tokens and resolves the issue in most cases. Next, verify your Xbox Live account status by visiting account.xbox.com. Ensure there are no bans, verification issues, or problems with your account. For child accounts, confirm that parental permissions are set correctly. Update both Minecraft through the Microsoft Store and your Windows operating system to the latest versions. Compatibility issues between outdated software often cause this error. Clear the Minecraft app data and cache by navigating to Settings, Apps, Minecraft, Advanced Options, Reset. This clears any corrupted data without requiring a full reinstall. Temporarily disable any VPNs, as they can interfere with Xbox Live servers. Also, check your Windows Defender firewall settings to ensure Minecraft and Xbox Live apps are allowed through the firewall. If all else fails, reinstall Minecraft from the Microsoft Store.